This is the Irinox Blast Chiller. Electronic control printer. We've got it set up in our shop for demonstration purposes. Condensate drain. That noise you're hearing in the background is our phase converter. This unit runs off of 208 3-phase. It comes with 25 feet of line set, which is 1 1/8 inch suction, 1/2 inch liquid. Condensing unit is a 4 horsepower Heathcraft condenser. Disconnect, coil's in pretty good shape. The box has a few little dings on the outside. Not exactly sure how they got there. However, it has no effect whatsoever on the integrity of the performance. It's just superficial. The unit runs beautifully, as you will see here in a moment. We're inside. 4 probes that come, and they're all programmable. This unit is set to load it up with 160-degree food and have it brought down into the safe zone under 40 if the unit's completely full in less than 2 hours. It'll be down in the safe zone. There's a glow in the dark escape button if you get caught in there. Kind of a thing. Pretty simple operations. The whole inside there is 38 inches deep, front to back. We are 32 inches wide and 74 inches from the floor to the top of the door. The gasket's in great shape. Everything working good there. The outside dimensions, we have 63 inches wide by 55 inches deep from the back to the front of the control panel. That's the 55 inches, and we're 89 inches overall height. Condensing unit is 43 inches wide by 30 1/2 inches deep by 30 inches tall. It comes with 25 feet of line set, and it comes pre-charged with refrigerant. We're going to turn this guy on. We're going to choose either an automatic or a manual mode. In the automatic mode, it will bring the food down to temperature and shut it off automatically. In the manual mode, it'll just keep coming down in temperature till you take it out. But it will show you the temperatures up there in the programming. So let's get this guy. We're going to pick a manual mode. It's asking for a recipe. There's one preset, so we're just going to say that one. Okay, we're going to hit start. Our fans have kicked on. We're at 58 degrees inside right now. You'll see how quick it brings temperatures down from that. The condensing unit has kicked on. We've got good clean oil in the compressor. Sight glass is full. The only thing that will be needed to be done when this reaches and gets to your location is the line set hooked back up by a qualified licensed refrigeration technician and then evacuated and and release the charge from the condensing unit, which is where the charge will be held, and you will be set to go. You'll see on these numbers up here, we're at 48 degrees already. It will flash alarm, but that is not cause to be alarmed. It's just telling you that your food is down to the safe zone. We're in a manual mode, so it doesn't shut down on its own in that mode. It will on the automatic. It also has a defrost, which we will see here in a second. Temperature's dropping down to 43. You can see where it's saying the alarm I was talking about. See how the probe temperatures are down to 39 degrees. So see, you've reached the safe zone. That's what it's telling you. Air temperature inside is down to 40 degrees on the air probe. Operating pressures here. Box temperature is down to 36, probe temperature is down to 34 already. As I said, this guy will cool a whole entire load of food product that goes in at 160 degrees down into the safe zone quickly so that bacteria doesn't get a chance to grow even. Bring it right on down inside of 2 hours, a full box full. There's our condensate drain. This unit runs off of 208 volts, 3-phase, separate circuits for the box and the condensing unit. That is all explained in the literature. If you open the door, now we're at one probe 29, the other 30 degrees, air temperature is 31. You can open the door and it will shut things down. It'll tell you close the door. As you can see, the fans are spinning to a stop. Excellent bearing condition on the fans. It's chilly in here. Close the door and it starts right back up again. So it is possible to enter this unit as it is running. Down to 32 degrees, 33 degrees there, box temperature. Again, mind you that this line set is set up in our shop for testing purposes. 25 feet of 1 1/8 inch and 25 feet of 1/2 inch. What will come with the unit, and the refrigerant will be pumped down into the condensing unit. When you get it to your place, just hook up the line sets, evacuate the line sets, and release the charge. That should all be done by a qualified licensed refrigeration technician. We're down to 29 degrees. As I say, in manual, it will keep going. What we're going to go ahead and do is stop the unit now by pressing the start-stop button. Condenser will shut off right away. It pumps down. what we'll do is put it through a defrost by pressing the defrost button. It will say defrost off until you press the start button. You can see that our temperature is 21 degrees. Well, we brought it down to in this short little time. We dropped it 30 degrees in what, 5 minutes? Less than that? And the defrost will automatically shut off when the temperatures get up to the upper 40s. It should be defrosted once a day. This is all right on front of the unit there. Very easy instructions. It has capability of printing out temperatures and times, so you have a record of that. It is able to store several different recipes which are customed for your needs as to what you want temperatures to be for individual probes, and you just call up that recipe and tell it go, and away you go. Again, the little dings that you might be able to see, not sure how they managed to get some of those there, but they are strictly superficial, have no effect whatsoever on the performance of the unit. Temperature is climbing with the defrost heaters on. We're up to 40 degrees now. (46), 47. And defrost is now complete. Turn the unit off. So there you have a quick demonstration. Everything is working beautifully, magnificently, and you have the quality of Irinox with the great deals and value of Olympic restaurant equipment. And with that combination, you've got one heck of a deal here, and can rest comfortable that you made a great purchase.